Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I have this awesome Trash to Treasure Christmas edition video for you. I took 3 items I got from the Goodwill and upcycled them to use in my Christmas decor this year. And I used a couple of Dollar Tree and Dollar General items too, but let me go ahead and show you what I made. And I am so excited for these projects. First one, I have these candlesticks. I'm gonna sand them down just a little bit with my sanding block. I'm going to take these storage containers that I got in the craft section at my Dollar Tree. I've never seen these before, but they're just little tin containers, and I'm only going to be using the lids. I'm not going to be using the bottoms. I might save that for another project, but I'm going to go ahead and apply some hot glue and get that glued onto the top of my candlestick here. And then I'm going to take my Waverly white chalk paint and give it a good coat. Now I did end up going back over this a second coat, and then I'm going to use my sanding block again to distress it. Now I'm going to take these candles I got from IKEA, and I've actually had these for like a year and never did anything with them, so this worked out perfect for this project. You can see I'm going to use these that are a little bit skinnier than the other ones in the pack, and I'm going to use the 2 different sizes. I also got these cotton bouquets at the Dollar Tree, so I'm just going to pull everything off the stem and just kind of play with it and see what I can do. I end up using the 2 little garland pieces there to make a circle. It fits perfectly around the candles, so I just used a little bit of hot glue on both sides and just created that circle shape. Now I wanted to use the holly berries and I wanted to use the cotton, but the pine cones from that bouquet were a little big, so I had this pack of dollar pine cones from Dollar General, and they had smaller pine cones in it, so I ended up using that instead, and I just hot glued everything to the greenery. And then I'm using this kind of burlap ribbon I got from Dollar General as well. It was only $1 for that roll. I'm going to wrap a piece around the top, and then I'm going to create a bow and glue that to it, and then just put everything together. So you can see here, this is what it looks like completed, and this is the before and after picture, and I'm going to change these out for different seasons. So now I'm going to use this little planter bucket. I got this from Goodwill, and it's actually from IKEA. I'm going to use these stencils I got from Dollar Tree, and if you guys don't have these, they have several different designs. You need to be on the lookout for those. But I'm going to use the snowflakes, and they have a couple different sizes, and I'm just using my Waverly white chalk paint. And I'm just going to stipple on these snowflakes just and kind of, you know, like do a larger one like that in the middle, and then I'm going to do the smaller one and then the next size, and just make, you know, work my way around. And just make sure, if you guys do this or, you know, anything like this, that you're letting the paint dry before you completely turn your planter over, because I almost made the mistake of turning it over while it was still wet. So now, I found these little Christmas trees at the Dollar Tree. I bought 2 of them. I opened them only to one side, so you can see the back, like the back side, I'm calling it, is flat. That way they looked really full. If you do just one of these, it's not going to be very full looking, but this way it just made the tree look super full, and for $2, I mean, you can't beat that. So again, I just opened all the branches to one side, and then these pieces on the bottom fit perfectly together. So I'm just going to use a lot of hot glue to glue those together. And then I end up taking some of the branches and wrapping them around the center just to secure that as well all the way up. And then this is what my little planter thing turned out like, and it's so cute. I absolutely love it. This Christmas tree fits perfectly in this planter. I do know IKEA, last time I was there, still had some of these in different colors, just as a FYI, even though I got this at the Goodwill. And now I've got this big roll of Snowflake burlap ribbon. I got this at Dollar General for $5, and it was easy to work with, and I'm just doing a little double bow here, nothing real special with the bow, and I'm going to paste that on top. And then I decided to just add some long tails, just kind of draping down the tree. So I didn't do too much. I may actually, as I start decorating for Christmas, go back and add, you know, something more, maybe some little string lights or something. But for right now, I just kept it really simple. I liked the snowflake theme on this, and this was the before and that's the after. So now for my third project, I've got another planter here, this wood planter, and I am going to be measuring down. I actually measured the length of it. It was about 10 inches, so I just went down to 5 inches, about halfway there, and just marked it all the way around with a pencil. And then I'm going to take my masking tape and go all the way around and tape off where my little pencil mark is. So that way I have a nice clean line. And I'm going to take my Waverly white chalk paint, because you know I have to use that in every video. And I'm going to paint only the bottom half of the wood planter. I wanted the top to still be that wood. Once the paint dried, I removed the masking tape, and then I'm going to use this buffalo check ribbon I got from Dollar General, and I'm going to wrap it all the way around. I kind of just centered it where the paint and the wood met right there, so it would be kind of in the center of the planter. I'm going to hot glue it in the back. And then this is the, it's like a 4-foot tree or something I got. This is actually a tree I use in Jackson's room. So I just added some foam in the bottom of it, cut out the circle in the middle. That way the tree just fit right into the foam blocks. And then I'm going to take these, I got these little gift bags at Dollar General. If you guys can't tell, I had a great time at Dollar General. And I loved that it was still that buffalo check on this gift bag. So I'm just cut it up, and then I'm going to wrap it around the floral foam blocks. So you can see there, the top is still, you're still going to be able to see the top. So I can put the tree in, but I didn't want you to be able to see through the little slats of the planter. I wanted that buffalo print to cover up that greenery, the green foam block, I should say. And then I also found some little buffalo check bows for $1. So I'm just going to add those to my tree. And then I'm also going to finish it off with a bow on top of the buffalo check ribbon, the same width ribbon that I used around the bottom of the planter. So I really probably could have used 2 sets of these little bows that I'm putting on right now, and I may go back and get another set of them so I can just fill in the tree a little bit more. Okay, so these are all 3 of the Trash to Treasure Christmas Edition projects. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.